In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save products on Temu so you can easily find and purchase them later. Saving products can be beneficial for those of us who love online shopping, but want to make careful, well thought out decisions before making a purchase. Let's make sure you're equipped with all the necessary steps to get the most out of your shopping experience on Temu. First, you'll want to head over to the Temu website or open up the Temu app on your mobile device. No matter where you're accessing the platform from, it's designed to provide you with a seamless shopping experience. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're using it for the first time, but don't worry, everything is straightforward and user-friendly. Once you've arrived on Temu, either browse through the categories or use the search bar to find a product that catches your interest. This could be anything from trendy fashion items to the latest electronics. Take your time scrolling through the options as Temu offers a vast selection, and part of the fun is discovering something new that may match your preferences. When you found a product that you want to save, the next step is to click the heart icon that you'll see either on the product listing or on the product's detail page. This little heart icon is your ticket to keeping track of items you might want to revisit without needing to search for them again. Clicking it will instantly save the item to your favorites, allowing you to create a personalized list of products to choose from later. After you've saved a few items, you might want to check back and review or compare these saved choices. To do this, navigate to your account or profile icon, which you'll typically find at the top right corner of your screen if you're on a computer, or within the menu if you're using the app. Clicking on this icon will reveal a list of options related to your account settings and preferences. From here, select the Favorites option, which will bring you to a neatly organized list of all the products you've saved. This list is incredibly useful for revisiting items when you're ready to make a purchase. It also allows you to see if any prices have changed, if there are any new promotions, or if reviews have influenced your thoughts on buying. By following these simple steps, you'll efficiently manage and keep track of your favorite items on Temu, enabling you to stay organized and shop smart.